I've used a lot of jump ropes over the years and discovered that a lot of ropes suck. In fact, some can flat out destroy your ability to learn and progress altogether. I'm going to show you what to look for in a jump rope and the 3 most popular ropes every jump rope pro uses. Let's go. Most people think vision is important when learning to jump rope, but they're wrong. Don't believe me? Let's test it. Can you see the jump rope here? I can't. The point is the rope is moving too fast for vision to be the deciding factor on knowing when to jump. If you wait to see it, you're gonna trip. The biggest mistake jump rope beginners make is buying a cheap light rope because the key to jump rope is feel, and a light rope has very little of it, causing lots of frustration. Once you experience a rope with the right amount of weight, it's a game changer. Suddenly you can feel where the rope is as it's rotating around you, making it much easier to know when to jump. It also provides feedback into your hands, letting you know if your form is where it's supposed to be. So the first rope that solves this issue is a beaded jump rope. While popular, it's personally my least favorite of the 3 ropes. It doesn't have weight that improves the feel, but it provides feel through the beads, creating more air drag due to their size. This is a great jump rope if you tend to outpace your feet easily and want a slower moving rope. But if you're a speed freak like me, this rope will always feel a bit on the slow side. Beaded ropes are notoriously popular for the more advanced freestyle jump rope game. Because it's a rope with beads on it, it's very flexible, allowing for a maximum amount of manipulation. But there is a better option that solves the feel problem as well as this next key feature. PVC ropes are great, but they often have a huge problem. They can be too stretchy. If your rope is stretchy, it's like trying to watch a show online in 2003. You've told it what to do, but it just can't respond the way you want it to.
Well, you know what they say, Frank. Speed kills.
This is why cheap is not always better. If the price is really low, durability decreases. Rope stretch increases, which decreases rope response time, and frustration increases due to trips, and the chances of you quitting go way up. You want a crisp feeling rope with very little to no stretch. This enhances both feel and response time. This is most often solved by the rope being made of a material that doesn't stretch, like a rope or a cable. The problem with a rope is it's very flexible, which also slows the response time like the beaded rope. A cable jump rope has a very fast response time, but is often far too fast for most jumpers. And they can really hurt when they whip you.
Oh, that one really did hurt. Oh.
Cable ropes are also quite stiff, which makes them a poor choice for doing crossing and many other tricks. The perfect solution is a PVC rope with a nylon core. The problem is a lot of brands don't have this. A nylon core greatly reduces stretch and makes a PVC rope as close to the snappy response time of a cable rope without the stiffness and pain when it hits you. Yes please. But we aren't talking just any PVC rope here. This rope provides great feel and is capable of performing a lot of different skills. It's the best jump rope for beginners, and even after 15 plus years of jumping, I still use it often, and that's a 6mm PVC jump rope. If you're having a hard time feeling your rope, this is your new best friend. I have heard it time and time again from people that made the switch and immediately their jump rope progress took off. But now onto arguably the best jump rope in existence. And this is not it. When it comes to the perfect weight for peak performance, my go-to jump rope is a 5mm PVC rope. This rope has amazing feel and feedback, can do skills on skills on skills. You can generate high speeds whether you're just working on foot speed and stamina or you're wanting to improve your double or even triple unders. This rope can do it all. Which leads us to the third feature your rope must have, a reasonable price. These 3 ropes average out at just $20 a piece. You can buy all 3 so you can mix it up and still be around just $60. But there is one more rope you need to consider. But before I hit on this last rope, I have my favorite jump ropes that include that amazing nylon cord linked below with a 15% off code. I have used Elite Jumps for years. Their ropes are durable, and most importantly, they stand behind their products. Be sure to check them out. Otherwise, let's get back to this last rope. When starting out, it can be difficult as you're trying to build strength and stamina in the jumping motion, often leading to burning shoulder muscles that don't want to go away. This rope is a secret weapon for helping you power through that shoulder burn phase, as well as generating more strength, power, and speed with your form. This is the Muay Thai 3.0, sized for me a little over 1 pound, and will challenge all jumpers in a new way and help you develop solid foundational basics that will pour over into your regular jump rope, skyrocketing your growth. Now, even with a good rope, lots of people struggle to learn and improve at jump rope because they don't really know the basics. In this video, I show you the 3 main things you need to get right to make the process of learning jump rope easy. Trust me, you need this.